put the chopped peppers in. Let's throw in some of that special sauce and set it aside for now. Evenly spread the freshly stir-fried ingredients over the fish head. Place the fish head in the pot, cover it with the lid, and steam on high heat for 15 minutes. All right, time's up. Let's pull out the fish head, sprinkle some chopped scallions on top, and drizzle it with hot oil. Time to eat.
This is the flavor I've been looking for.
Wow, this tastes amazing! If you're loving it, go ahead and have some more, okay?